Hello students, welcome back to the online learning of mathematics. Today let us learn lesson number 16, surface area and volume. So the surface area of any three-dimensional object is sum of the areas of all its faces. Total surface area of cube. Since the cube has 6 faces, therefore total surface area of cube will be equal to sum of all the 6 faces of a cube. Let L be the length of the side of a cube. Since the cube has total 6 faces, therefore area of the base, that is the area of one face, will be equal to length multiplied by length, which is equal to L square units. Therefore total surface area of cube will be equal to 6L square. Total surface area of a cuboid. A cuboid is a three-dimensional figure bounded by 6 rectangular planes having a different magnitude of length, breadth and height. The total surface area of a cuboid is equal to the sum of the areas of its 6 rectangular faces. Therefore, total surface area of a cuboid is equal to 2 multiplied by length into breadth plus breadth into height plus length into height square units. Please note 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters. Therefore, 1 square centimeter will be equal to 1 centimeter multiplied by 1 centimeter, which is equal to 10 millimeter multiplied by 10 millimeter, since 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. Therefore, 1 square centimeter is equal to 100 square millimeter. 100 can be written as 10 raised to 2. Therefore, 1 square centimeter is equal to 10 raised to 2 square millimeter. Similarly, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Therefore, 1 square meter will be equal to 10 raised to 4 square centimeter. Volume of solid. Three-dimensional figures like cube, cuboid, cylinder, etc. occupy some space. The measure of the space occupied by a solid is called the volume of the solid. Standard unit of volume. The space occupied by a cube of side 1 centimeter is a standard unit of volume. That is, it is equal to 1 cubic centimeter and is written as 1 cc or 1 centimeter cube in short. Volume of cube. We know that a cube is a three-dimensional object whose all the sides, that is length, breadth and height, are equal. The volume of a cube defines the number of cubic units occupied by the cube completely. If side of cube is L, then volume of cube will be equal to L, that is length multiplied by length multiplied by length, which is equal to length cube, that is L cube. Volume of cuboid. A cuboid is a three-dimensional structure having six rectangular faces. Therefore, the volume is a measure based on the dimensions of these faces, that is length, breadth, and height. Therefore, volume of cuboid is equal to length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height, that is L multiplied by B multiplied by H cubic units. Volume of liquid. Space occupied by a liquid in a container is its volume. If a container is completely filled with liquid, then the volume of the liquid will be equal to the volume of the container. If a cube of side 10 centimeter is filled with water, then volume of water in the cube will be equal to L cube, as length is of 10 centimeter. Therefore, volume of water in the cube is equal to 10 the whole cube. The cube of 10 is 1000, which is equal to 1000 cubic centimeter. This volume is called 1 liter. 1 liter is equal to 1000 cubic centimeter, which is equal to 1000 milliliter. Therefore, 1 cubic centimeter is equal to 1 milliliter. The volume of water filled in a cube of side 1 centimeter is 1 milliliter. Remember, volume of cube is equal to L cube. Volume of cuboid is equal to length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height. Total volume of liquid in a container is equal to volume of the container. 1 liter is equal to 1000 cubic centimeter, which is equal to 1000 milliliter. Therefore, 1 cubic centimeter is equal to 1 milliliter. Example: if 5 liter molten mixture of coa and sugar is poured in a tray, it fills to its full capacity. Find the length of the tray if its breadth is 40 centimeter and height is 2.5 centimeter. Solution: to solve the example, fill the empty boxes with suitable numbers. Step 1. Capacity of tray is equal to 5 liter, which is equal to 5000 cubic centimeter. Since 1 liter is equal to 1000 cubic centimeter. Step 2. Volume of mixture is equal to 5000 cubic centimeter. Step 3. Volume of rectangular tray is equal to volume of mixture. So volume of rectangular tray is length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height, which is equal to 5000. Length we have to calculate. Let us substitute the value of breadth and height which is given. Therefore, length multiplied by 40 multiplied by 2.5 is equal to 5000. Therefore, length multiplied by 100 is equal to 5000. 40 multiplied by 2.5 gives 100. Therefore, length is equal to 5000 divided by 100, which is equal to 50 centimeter. Therefore, length of the tray is 50 centimeters. In next online lecture, we will solve practice set 16.1. Thank you.